Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, in today's video, this is a morning time and I just want to show you what is the breakfast I'm having. But most important, I just want to show you the beautiful view outside which I'm seeing right now. So guys, first I will show you the breakfast I'm having right now. This is my breakfast. I have orange juice, I have fruits, and this is a hot water. I have 2 milks and some fruits over here and cereals and bread. So this is the whole breakfast every morning in quarantine I'm having it. And the most important, I will show you the view now outside. This is the view. Let me go out. All right. So how's the view, guys? How's the view? Now it's morning 7 o'clock right now. So guys, I hope you like this video. To know more about cruise ship and cruise ship life, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my another vlog. So till then, bye from Cruising with Goldy.